Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create initial states for particles. So for that we will start with a teapot. We'll go select a platonic solid and change it to teapot. So we have a object here, and now we will emit some particles from this. So we'll take pop network, and if you select this pop network, you can see the particles are start emitting from this surface. But I don't want to emit these particles should emit continuously, and it should be like right now I'm in frame 110, and this should be the first frame. So the particles which I'm seeing here, it should be at the first frame or starting frame in my simulation. So how can I do this? I can select this DOP network as a pop network, and in that you can see the simulation tab, and in simulation tab this is the option initial state. But here you can set the file .sim, which is your simulation file. So how you can generate that simulation file? To generate that, you can dive inside the pop network, and here you can take a file node and attach this pop solver to this file node. Now just select this and see the options here. First we'll save this file. So I'll save this as testinit sim2.sim. make sure the .sim this extension should be there, and yeah, just provide a name like that, and operation mode should be write. So let's say first we'll go to the frame which I want. So let's say frame 120. So I'll go to 119 and write file, and just make one frame forward. And if you go and see that sim2 is generated. Okay, so let's see. Copy this path, because you generated your initial state frame, and that frame you can provide here. And if you go here and just select the pop solver again, just go back to first frame. As you can see, this is your first frame right now, and now again go back. You can disconnect this file swap. And this file swap, I'll show you, this file swap is actually different than this file swap, because this is the file swap and this is the DOP file swap, pop. So this is for dynamics. Okay, you just need to understand that if you save your simulations and all, you can find inside dynamic there is a file tab which is designed for simulations and all. Let's go back again this frame, and if you play, you'll still notice that your particles will generate inside that. For that we can go inside and select the source birth, make 0, constant activation 0. So no longer your particle will emit, and whatever is your particles generated at a first frame, and it will stick. So by that way we can generate the initial state of particles, and of course now you can apply some forces on that. So let's say if I apply some force, let's say use pop force, and if I click that, use some turbulence, see them back, and if you play that, so with that you can actually do a lot of cool effects. So like previously, this is your initial state, initial first frame, and with forces you can dissolve that force, that particles into another shape. Just for little tip, you can apply a pop color to make this fancy. Wow, ramp. Alright, so this is it for this tutorial. I hope you understand how to set the initial state for particles. And next tutorial will come with some new techniques for particles, FX or Houdini. Alright, bye.